In 2025, more homeowners in West Jordan are recognizing the benefits of new door installations. Whether upgrading for security, energy efficiency, aesthetics, or smart home integration, replacing old doors is proving to be a valuable investment. If you're considering a door upgrade, here's why so many West Jordan homeowners are making the switch. Enhanced home security. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and doors serve as the first line of defense against intruders. Many older doors have weakened frames, outdated locks, and poor structural integrity, making homes more vulnerable. New door installations provide stronger materials such as reinforced steel or fiberglass for maximum durability. Multi-point locking systems for increased protection. Smart locks and keyless entry for enhanced security and convenience. Reinforced door frames to prevent forced entry. With crime prevention being a key concern, investing in a high-security door gives homeowners peace of mind knowing their family and property are well protected. Increased energy efficiency and lower utility bills. West Jordan experiences both hot summers and cold winters, making energy efficiency a must. Older doors with worn-out seals and poor insulation can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. New energy-efficient doors help by providing better insulation to keep homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Reducing air leaks with properly sealed frames and weather stripping. Lowering energy bills by reducing strain on HVAC systems. Utilizing Energy Star certified materials that improve indoor temperature control. By installing a new, energy-efficient door, homeowners can reduce monthly energy expenses while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn-out, faded, or outdated door can make a property look neglected, while a modern, stylish entry door can instantly enhance curb appeal. New door installations improve the overall aesthetic of the home. Increase property value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Offer customizable options, including colors, glass panels, and decorative finishes. Give a lasting first impression, helping homeowners take pride in their home's exterior. For homeowners looking to sell in the future, installing a high-quality, visually appealing door can make a big difference in the home's marketability. Smart home integration for modern living. Technology is advancing, and smart home features are becoming more popular among homeowners. Modern door installations now include keyless entry and digital locks for added convenience, video doorbells and motion sensors for real-time security monitoring, remote access control, allowing homeowners to lock or unlock doors from anywhere via smartphone apps, integrated security systems that provide alerts and automation features. These smart upgrades not only enhance security but also add a level of convenience that modern homeowners appreciate. Protection against harsh weather conditions. West Jordan's weather can be unpredictable, with heavy snowfall, high winds, and intense heat throughout the year. Old doors may not be equipped to handle extreme weather, leading to warping and cracking from moisture exposure. drafts that increase heating and cooling costs, water leaks that can lead to mold and structural damage. New weather-resistant doors offer durability against snow, wind, and moisture, sealed edges and impact-resistant glass for added protection, stronger materials that last longer without requiring frequent repairs. Investing in high-quality, weatherproof doors ensures year-round protection and reduces maintenance costs. Avoiding DIY mistakes with professional installation. Many homeowners try to install doors themselves to save money, but improper installation can lead to air leaks, security issues, and misaligned doors. Professional installation guarantees. Proper measurements for a perfect fit. Secure framing and alignment to prevent gaps and sticking doors. Correct sealing techniques to maximize energy efficiency. Warranty protection, ensuring long-term durability. By hiring a trusted door installation expert, homeowners save time, stress, and potential repair costs. Convenience and hassle-free upgrade. Aging doors can stick, creak, or require frequent maintenance, making daily use frustrating. New door installations offer smooth operation with advanced hinges and tracking systems, low-maintenance materials that resist wear and tear, customized features for better functionality, improved noise reduction for a quieter home. With a professionally installed door, homeowners eliminate ongoing maintenance hassles and enjoy a seamless experience. Final thoughts. Why West Jordan homeowners are making the upgrade. With home security, energy savings, smart technology, and curb appeal at the forefront, new door installations are a worthwhile investment for homeowners in West Jordan. Whether upgrading for safety, efficiency, or aesthetics, the benefits of professional door installation far outweigh the costs. If you're ready to enhance your home with a new door, now is the perfect time to invest in a high-quality, professionally installed door. Contact a trusted door installation expert in West Jordan today and take the first step toward a more secure, stylish, and energy-efficient home.